and to make customers remember your store. What's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Tony. Today I'll introduce you a tip to make your store easily to be remembered. If you have a trouble in it as well, please remember to like and save this video. Don't forget to subscribe and follow our channel. The most vital step is to provide your guests with a memory point so that they can attract by your store. For example, this product I want to introduce you today is the LED infinity mirror. The back of it is made of mirror acrylic, and the front and the back luminous letters in the middle are connected to LED light strip, while the front is silver colored half length, so you can show different colors and luster from different angle and direction. Isn't it very eye-catching and unique? Even people passing by on the road will be attracted to it at a glance. Besides, it's very easy to install. You only need to hang it where you like it to be, tighten it with 2 screws on it and power on. We all know that the first step in doing business is to attract your customers. With this LED infinity letters, customers will be attracted to it, leave a deep impression on your store. Come to your store and even purchase a lot of your products, which will help you make more money. As a professional advertising signage brand over 13 years, we also provide sales services for products. If you're still confused about how to choose these signs, contact us to let us know. You can place an order directly on our official website or contact us. If you find this content helpful, please subscribe and follow us to learn more about it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.